Hey there, finance lovers! If you're looking to take your trading game to the next level, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special discount on eToro. Alright, let's get into it. So what's the deal with eToro? Is it the ultimate trading platform or just another overhyped app? I've been using eToro for a while now, and here's my honest review. First things first, eToro is a social trading platform. Imagine Facebook, but instead of cat videos, you're sharing and copying trading strategies. Pretty cool, right? This means you can follow and copy the moves of top traders. Yeah, it's like having a trading guru right in your pocket. But let's talk about the user interface. It's super user-friendly, even if you're a newbie. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and you won't need a PhD to figure it out. Plus, the mobile app is just as sleek, so you can trade on the go. Now, on to fees. eToro is famous for its zero-commission stock trading. That's right, zero. But, and this is a big but, they do have spreads, which means the cost is built into the buy and sell prices. So, while there are no upfront fees, it's something to keep an eye on. One of the coolest features eToro offers is Copy Trader. You can literally copy the portfolios of successful traders. It's like cheating, but legally. And they also have copy portfolios, which are managed portfolios around specific themes or strategies. Think of it like having a robo-advisor that's also a market genius. But hey, no platform is perfect. eToro does have its downsides. For instance, the withdrawal fees can be a bit of a bummer. And if you're into day trading, the spreads might not be your best friend. Also, customer service can be hit or miss sometimes. So, is eToro the ultimate trading platform? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you love social trading, copying strategies, and a user-friendly interface, it's definitely worth a shot. Just be mindful of the fees and do your homework. Remember, click the link in the description below to get your special discount on eToro. Happy trading, folks! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome finance tips.